Here's a question many of us have asked. Are online friendships enough to beat loneliness? We live in an age where it's possible to meet, talk to, and even feel close to people we've never met in person. For some, online friends are the only ones they can truly open up to. And there's no denying, these connections can be real, supportive, and deeply meaningful. But loneliness is more complex. Studies show that while online friendships can help reduce feelings of isolation, they don't always replace the richness of face-to-face interaction. Why? Because our brains and bodies are wired for in-person cues, eye contact, touch, even silence shared in the same room. These moments create bonding chemicals like oxytocin that digital conversations can't fully replicate. That doesn't mean online friendships don't matter. In fact, they can be lifelines. For people who feel misunderstood at home, online communities can provide belonging, validation, and encouragement. And sometimes those digital connections even lead to lasting offline friendships. Still, if we rely only on online connections, loneliness can creep back in. There's often a gap between being digitally surrounded and being emotionally fulfilled. That's why many experts suggest blending both, nurturing online bonds while also seeking real-world interactions, even if they're small ones, like chatting with a neighbor or joining a local group. If you're looking for small, practical steps to start building more meaningful connections, we've created a free toolkit designed to help. Inside, you'll find simple exercises and reflection prompts you can use right away to strengthen your connections, both online and offline. You can download it through the link in our description. So, are online friendships enough to beat loneliness? The answer is both yes and no. They can carry us through tough times, but they're strongest when paired with real-life connections that engage our senses, bodies, and emotions in ways a screen never could. At Ember Spark Community, we believe no one should feel alone. Whether online or offline, connection is what keeps the spark alive, and together we can make sure it never fades. Find your spark. Find your people.